everyone. You're welcome to your favorite YouTube channel. My name is Angel, and today I'll be, showing you a simple trick that you can use to convert decimal to binary. But before we proceed, let's just, quickly look at a short draft of what binary is and why it is important in computers. So basically, binary in computer is expressed in base 2 number system. They are represented in zeros and ones. They are basically the language the computer understands, and they're very important because they are efficient and they are reliable way for the computers to process and store all our data. And all our data, the numbers, your text, your images, your audios, your videos, they are all represented in zeros and ones. The same thing goes for your RAM, your hard drive, your SSDs. They are represented in zeros and ones. So basically, that's the importance of binary. And let's just look at how to convert decimal to binary. So I'll be using this whiteboard to explain. So let's assume we're given a number, say 200, for example. Let's say 200. The easiest trick is to basically start from 1 and keep adding the number with itself. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16, 16 plus 16 is 32, 32 plus 32 is 64, 64 plus 64 is 128. Now we're going to stop at 128 because 128 plus 128 will be 256, and 256 is going to be, greater than 200. So that's the trick. You always stop at the closest number to it. So let's start. 128, can it be found in 200? Is it lesser than 200? Yes, so that'll be a 1. 128 plus 64. If we had 128 plus 64, the answer to that, we're going to find out that it's going to be lesser than 200 as well. So basically 128 plus 64 is 192, and 192 is lesser than 200. So this is a yes. 192 plus 32, 192 plus 32 is 224, which is greater than this. So adding 32 to what we already have is going to be more than the base number, which is 200. So 32 is going to be a 0 because it's going to be greater than this. So we go back to the ones we have, which is 192, right? So we do 192 plus 16. 192 plus 16 is 208, which is still greater than 200. So 16 is going to be 0 as well. Now we go back to the ones that we have, which is 192. 192 plus 8, that'll be 200. So this is going to be a 1. Since we already have what we're looking for, others will just be represented in zeros. Now if we go online to check for binary number of 200, let's see what the answer is going to be. So this is 1100100. So let's check what we have, and what we have is 1100100. So basically that's how to convert decimal to binary. You can try this trick with any number at all, and that and you will get the answer that you're looking for. So yeah, like, share, and subscribe. More and more contents are coming up. Thank you.